What's up, y'all? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm back out here with these Azure 3060 props on this Helifar X140 Pro. And so we're about to do some FPV out here before it gets too dark. It's starting to get dark out here. So let's get it. Let's drop this down to the ground. Might need some tuning. Sound like I hear the props vibrating, or it could be just how they sound. They do seem a little soft. I have a 600 milliamp hour battery in here, 4S. No buzzer from this battery. Pretty good battery. Somebody said something about the cornering. Does feel pretty good. Making quick changes and turns and all. So let's bring this thing in. Feels pretty nice. Feels pretty tight. I got these goggles smashing down on my nose, so it got me sounding funny. Let's bring it back in. Oh, I couldn't even see. My camera angle a little high. Pitched back a little too far on that landing there. But yeah, I got my camera angle all the way up in the air. But this thing flies pretty nice. Really nice cornering with these props here. It did sound like I heard some like vibrating of the props when I hit high throttle and all. It might be the way that it just sounds because of the softness right here on the ends of the props. They just seem a little soft, and I think that's what I was hearing whenever I hit high throttle. I can hear that oscillating a little. I'm not sure if you can tune that out because of how soft they are, but maybe you can. But it seemed like it was gripping the corners pretty nice. And so I guess that's where this prop shines. And maybe in speed, I didn't really do any high speed flying with it because I'm restricted with this small space here that I'm flying in. But seems pretty decent. I'll check it out a little more when I get to the field tomorrow. Hopefully in open space, we'll be able to see how fast this thing flies with these props. And that's it, the Azure 3060 Race Propellers. Thanks for watching.